Hey guys, we're just going to go over how to use our timer for the instant turf. So pretty much just unscrew the cap. That stops water from getting into the timer itself. Then we have the timer. So pretty much what you need to do is we'll set it all up, but if you were to needed to change the time or anything like that, all you need to do is just press the set button there, and that will then give you the option to change the hour, the minutes, or the day. And the way you do that is just use the plus and minus to change the setting, and when you're finished changing the hour, you can then press the set button and move over to the minute. And to do the day, same thing, just over to the set, and then you can just use the plus or minus to move that throughout the days. Once you've finished this, then press set again, and now that's all set. So to manually turn on the timer itself, all you need to do is just press the on button, and that will turn the tap timer on for the specified run time. To turn it off, just press off, and that turns it off. Now if you wanted to turn it off permanently, you can either turn it off at the tap, or you can double tap the off, and then it has all off down the bottom. You need to be careful if you do enable this setting, the timer won't run. So to change that, all you need to do is just press off again, and then now it's running back on the preset times. So to change the times, all you need to do is just press mode. That gives us our setting for how long we want the timer to run each time that the timer turns on, so we can change that to minute increments. So once you've set your run time, you can then press mode, and you can select what days you would like that to turn on. So to do that, you press the set button and the plus and minus to take it off or put it on the schedule to water that day. So let's say you didn't want to water it on Wednesday, you can then press the minus button, and that takes Wednesday off the run schedule. Once you've chosen the days, press mode again. And this brings up the time that you would like it to turn on. So we can say we want it to turn on at 5 a.m. and that'll run for 20 minutes, which is the time that we set before. Once you've set the first time, you have the option to set, I believe it's another 6 options or 5 options. So you just press mode, and that'll do it again. So that's in case you say you wanted to water maybe twice a day for 2 minutes in summer. And then if you would like, so say if you're going to number 2 or 3, you just wanted the 1, but it had a time on it, you just need to go backwards from 12 a.m. Just keep going backwards until the off appears, and then you can just hit mode, and then it'll just keep going through. And you just keep turning them off if you don't want them to run for more than like one period a day. And that's pretty much how you set the timer. And the functionality, again, if you wanted to say you noticed it needed a bit of more water, you can just hit the on, and that'll run for the specified time located in the timer settings. If you say you realized it's already been watered, so you need to turn it off now, you just hit off, and that'll turn the timer off. Down here you have the indication for your batteries. That'll go down if it needs, the battery needs to be replaced, which can easily be done by pulling out the tray and just replacing it with a typical 9-volt battery that you would use in a smoke alarm, and then just put that back in. Put the scrap on, and again just make sure that the all off option is off, so that the timer does run on the specified times.